Okay, my healthy people, so what you're gonna need to make this delicious, quick, easy weight loss poached pear salad will be 2 cups of spinach. Now, once again, I went out to eat at a nice fancy restaurant and I bought this salad. I love this salad so much, I said I'm gonna come home and recreate this poached pear salad for my healthy people on what? Maxinescorner. That's right. By the way, guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? It's free. You love healthy meals and you love weight loss tips. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, will you? Okay, so once I've done that, it's time to assemble. I had a pear and I pretty much just cut it in half. I'm gonna get my knife and I'm pretty much just gonna cut it like this. Make sure you use a sharp knife too, because, you know, look at that. Look how juicy it is, right? Cut it coming all the way down. So I'm gonna take my pear, right, and in an attempt to be like the fancy restaurant, I'm just gonna lay it across just like this. Have no fear, my delicious poached pear salad will be just as delicious as the one I ordered recently. Okay, right, my healthy people, I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna lay it across this way. It was something like that. It was so good, okay? In an attempt to recreate it. This poached pear salad is gonna be delicious. It's only 216 calories, and I'm gonna up it to 220 calories, okay? So I chopped my cherry tomatoes, and I think it was so good. So what they did was they just laid it around the plate just like this. Avocado. So I'm going to take my avocados, move that to the side, and I'm just going to use 1/4 of this avocado. And to remove the seeds, you're going to go like this. Boop. Done. Since I'm only using 1/4, I'm going to take the half, and then I'm going to cut that half in another 1/4, right? And that's pretty much how it goes. And how I slice my avocados is that I'm just gonna go like this down the middle and like that, right? And this was all about presentation, guys, and that's exactly how the salad looked at a fancy schmancy restaurant. And it's a poached pear salad. And this is my recreation of it. That's it, guys. That's how easy it is to make a simple weight loss poached pear salad. Can I say that 3 times? A simple, quick, and easy poached pear salad for you guys. I really wanted to recreate this. It's only 216 calories. Summer is here. Keep that body right. Keep that body tight. Eat healthy. The most important thing is if you lose the weight, to maintaining is the hardest part. Let's go ahead and make our salad dressing, right? Let's go. I will be using the juice of half of a lemon, right? Squeeze it directly inside. And then I have 1 navel orange, and I'm gonna be using the juice of a navel orange. Half of a navel orange, actually. These little gadgets are great, let me tell you. So I'm going to take it and I am going to pour the juice inside. Okay, so I have my orange juice and I have my lemon juice. Now I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. You can use your measurement if you want. I usually eyeball, but for you guys I'm going to measure today. 1/2. Right? Shake it up. Shake it up, baby. Now shake it up, baby. No, you shake it up, baby. Once again, guys, if you love these weight loss salads, these low-calorie salads that I do on Maxinescorner, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you love avocados, give this video a big thumbs up. If you love pears, give this video a big thumbs up. And now for the piece of resistance. I will pour the salad dressing that I've made over everything. Once again, this is a easy poached pear salad. That's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a what? Big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And stay healthy.